Look up at the full moon. Now, imagine an invisible, glowing structure from a planet 500 million miles away appearing 3 times larger in our night sky. This isn't science fiction. We are talking about the largest continuous structure in our solar system. It is physically larger than the Sun itself. Jupiter's magnetosphere is a swirling, highly radioactive death trap that completely defies the laws of planetary physics. It stretches an impossible 4.3 million miles wide, and its tail reaches all the way to the orbit of Saturn. Scientists are deeply divided. How is a mere gas giant generating a force field this massive? And more importantly, what happens when it breaks? To understand this monster, look at Earth. Our magnetic field is a neat, protective bubble generated by a spinning iron core. It keeps us safe from solar radiation. It is predictable. But Jupiter? Jupiter doesn't even have a solid iron core like ours. By all conventional logic, its magnetic field absolutely should not be 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. But this is where things get strange. Very strange. Because what we have just discovered hidden inside that magnetic storm changes everything we know about the universe. Stay with me here. If you want to uncover the cosmos's greatest mysteries with us, hit that follow and subscribe button right now. What I'm about to reveal next is exactly why so many people are joining the Deep Space Secrets family every single day. Let's rewind to 1973. NASA's Pioneer 10 probe is flying blindly toward Jupiter. Suddenly, its radiation sensors max out, nearly frying its multi-million-dollar instruments millions of miles before reaching the planet. Then, Voyager 1 and 2 arrived, mapping a magnetic tail stretching a staggering 400 million miles behind Jupiter. Every new probe sent back data that acted like a puzzle piece to a terrifying picture. Scientists around the world were staring at their screens, realizing this wasn't just a magnetic field. It was an engine. Deep beneath Jupiter's crushing clouds lies a massive ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen, compressed so violently it conducts electricity. As Jupiter spins at blinding speeds, completing a full day in just 10 hours, this metallic ocean acts as an unimaginable dynamo. But here is the kicker. It is being supercharged by its moon, Io. Io has 400 active volcanoes blasting 1 ton of sulfur and oxygen every single second straight into Jupiter's magnetic field, creating a glowing donut of lethal plasma. Satisfying answer, right? Well, just wait. Because just when scientists thought they had it figured out, NASA's Juno spacecraft found something impossible. A massive magnetic anomaly near Jupiter's equator dubbed the Great Blue Spot. Only, it is not blue, and it is not a spot. It is an invisible, deep-rooted rupture where the magnetic field is literally being torn apart and shifting faster than anything we have ever seen. Suddenly, the established models were thrown out the window. Right now, astronomers are split. Some scientists believe Jupiter's deep core is actually dissolving, completely altering the planet's magnetic grid. Others think highly classified, bizarre plasma waves are rewriting its physics from the inside out. I genuinely want to know what you think about this. Are we witnessing the slow death of Jupiter's core, or is this a completely undiscovered type of cosmic physics? Drop your wildest theories down in the comments below. Do you side with the dissolving core theory, or the unknown plasma waves? Let's debate this. But why does this invisible Leviathan matter to you and me? Because this affects how we see our place in the universe. Deep inside this radioactive blender sits the ice moon Europa, hiding a massive subsurface ocean. If Jupiter's violent magnetosphere is constantly bombarding Europa, it might also be providing the exact chemical energy needed to spark alien life in those dark waters. Furthermore, if a magnetosphere this powerful exists here, imagine the massive exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Could their monstrous magnetic shields be protecting life across the entire galaxy? What you are looking at is the ultimate cosmic crucible. But there is immense hope for answers, and we are not stopping here. By the end of this decade, everything could change. Right now, the JUICE mission and NASA's Europa Clipper are speeding through the dark, preparing to dive straight into this radioactive beast. Armed with next-generation titanium shielding and advanced magnetic sensors, they are going to map these anomalies in unprecedented detail. Science is a beautiful process of unraveling the impossible. Within the next few years, the data we get back could finally solve the mystery of the Great Blue Spot, and maybe, just maybe, tell us if life is hiding in the dark. But Jupiter's invisible shield isn't the only cosmic anomaly defying explanation. What if I told you there is a perfectly geometric, massive hexagon raging at the North Pole of Saturn that shouldn't exist? Or that the James Webb Space Telescope just spotted something impossible moving beneath the ice of another distant world? We will dive into those mysteries next, and you won't want to miss it. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next one.